times, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So today, this video we'll be covering my favorite product for the month of August. The things I could not get my hands off for the month of August. If you're interested in seeing this video, then stay tuned and watch this video. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So, the first product that I had to use, I cannot get my hands off of it. Every time I do a look, I grab for this setting mist. And it's none other than the Morphe setting mist. It is unlike the MAC setting spray. The mist release less product and just give you a better coverage, in my opinion. It really covers the face well. It's not really sending so much product on one section of your face, but all over. And to me, it sets your foundation better, in my opinion. So the next product, and this is for my everyday look. Giovanni came out with a facial primer setting mist. And I found this at Marshall. It was $6.99. And it's just to refresh your face. It's mostly water and aloe vera. And it released the products the very same way that the Morphe setting mist. It really gives it like a really, you can't see it, but it just distributes and it's really refreshing. So I really love this. In the morning after I do my quick look, I just spray it and it just makes my face look refreshing throughout the day. The next product is this vitamin C serum, and I got this from TJ Maxx, and I love it. You know, vitamin C lets your skin look plump and fresh and very young, must I say. So I love it. I always use this every day. Whether I'm doing a facial or I'm about to do a makeup look, I always have this underneath my makeup or my foundation. I am so excited to talk about JUVIA'S foundation. Must I say, I am wearing it right now. JUVIA'S. I love the foundation. The shade that I wear is Tanzania. I really love it. Full coverage. You just need a little bit, like a dot, and a dot. And especially if you have imperfection skin, like blemishes, uneven skin tone, freckles. You don't have to build it up. Once you apply it, it covers it like immediately. I don't know what they have inside of this product here that give us such a coverage. I mean, unbelievable. I really love it. Really, really, really love this foundation. I'm just rocking it the entire time. The entire summer I'm always wearing, or most of the time I have on JUVIA'S for the entire summer. And of course, I cannot say anything about the concealer. I have it on right now. It's just give you the highlight and the coverage. The coverage is really good. Of course, like any concealer, you need to let it dry down. Must I say it again? Every concealer, the coverage is better when you let it dry down. If you do not let it dry down, you start moving the product around once you apply it. So it's best to have it dry down before you blend it out. All right? So make sure it dries down. And I'm going to leave the best for last, like the best. All right, another product that made it on my list for the month of August that I just kept using. Guys, my eyelid is twinkling. Can you imagine that? All right, is the P. Louise base. The P. Louise eyeshadow base. Guys, let me tell you something. I've tried a lot of base and I've been missing things in my life, like missing many things when it comes base wise. When I put my hand on this, or got my hands on this base, it was unbelievable. I cannot express how this has taken my makeup shadow technique to another level. When I said another level, I mean another level. Has to do with cut crease, P. Louise. Want your eyeshadow to pop up? P. Louise. You can go to the beauty supply store and pick up a $1.99 eyeshadow palette and you use P. Louise as your base, it will pop up. The color will look stunning. Now the colors may be spotty, but you can fix that also. Just wet the brush and it will distribute the color properly. P. Louise eyeshadow base, because I will keep going on and on. I'm living my best life with P. Louise. The next thing, guys, I've watched another content creator talk about this product or this tool, and I was like, really? And I looked it up online, but it was expensive, and I was like, listen, child, I'm not about to pay for that. But I did squeeze my coins together and purchase it. Yes, a brush. Can you just imagine? This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18. I just did a video. We talk about 5 brushes that you need for a simple eyeshadow look. This was on that. This brush is the life. If you're learning to cut crease, which you know cutting crease is it's a trend right now. So if you're learning how to cut crease, you need this in your life. Yes, it's a little expensive. It may be $20-something. You can look on Sephora. I don't remember how much exactly it is, but it's really nice. And of course, there's a sale tomorrow, guys, so you can't miss this now. Come on. There is a sale. A whole week is going to be a sale. Pick this up again. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18 flat brush. This thing cuts your crease like none other. Like you will be a pro using this. Yeah, a pro. Yeah. No. And I may pronounce this wrong. This oil came into my life through my subscription, my Ipsy subscription. You know, they send you the little samples. When I got this oil and I start using it, I was in love. Yes, I was in love. I was in love immediately. I had to go and get the larger size. This is a maracuja oil. Guys, when I got this in my subscription and start using it, my skin start looking another way. So I tend to have dry skin on my body, but not on my face. So what I did is start using this oil on my back. It has changed my life. Then I moved to adding it to my neck. Then I start using it on my face. I was really concerned about using it on my face because I have super oily skin. So with that in mind, I was like, oh my God, no, I cannot use it on my face. Guys, it do not do anything different to your makeup. I use this oil every day. When I said every day I use this oil. With my makeup, without my makeup. Going to my bed, getting out my bed. This oil is always on my skin. Now, it's $48. But, guys, save your coins. Listen to me. I cannot steer you wrong. Save your coins and purchase this oil. You can use it on your body. You can use it on your face. Anywhere you want to use it. You do not have to have super dry skin to use it. What it does, guys, make your skin look so fresh, young, and moisturized. Oh my God. And soft. This gotta be wherever I go. Even when I die, it needs to be in my box. Because I think I'm gonna need some oil in the grave. Maybe that was extreme. But love this oil. Now the main ingredients in this oil is passion flower. I've heard about passion fruit, which is where it originated from. It originated from passion fruit. So just in the event you are allergic to passion flowers, it's in there. So it's one of the main ingredients. And guys, if you have super oily skin like me, just use 2 to 3 drops of it on your face prior to doing your makeup. It will apply so much better. It's beyond. Try it. Just try it and leave me a comment below and say, listen, I did purchase that oil. Now you can get this oil from Amazon. You can get it from Sephora. I ordered wherever you purchase it, it's going to be $48. It's not going to change. Okay. So I am telling you, out of everything that I just covered, this is my baby. I currently wearing it right now under my makeup. And do you see my skin just look plump, beautiful, and alive? Yes, it was dead before. Anyway, guys, that is all that I have. My August favorites. And I'm telling you guys, these products, every day I use these products. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hearing me rumbling about my favorite products for the month of August. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and yes, watch this video and this one right here. Watch both of them and then just continue on and watch the rest. I'll just wait on you. No, yeah, go ahead and click. I'll come right back to it, but just make sure you continue watching. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you all on my very next video. Bye-bye.